timeline mouse scroll gives me two ways to change the size of video and audio tracks right in my timeline. With my cursor hovering over the video tracks, I click Shift and use the scroll wheel on my mouse to make all the tracks bigger or smaller in unison. The functionality is the same when I'm working with the audio tracks. This is a quick and easy way to reveal my video thumbnails even while the timeline is playing. Every click of the scroll wheel adjusts the track heights all at once. With my cursor in the timeline and holding down Option or Alt, the scroll wheel lets me zoom in or out of the timeline as much as I want. For me, this is the fastest way to navigate and resize my track heights and timeline. That's my quick tip for today. See you next time.